Do you walk into the grocery store with good intentions but leave with a cart full of junk? You're not alone. Let's fix that with the ultimate clean eating grocery list so you can finally stick to your healthy lifestyle. Hey everyone, welcome back to Ultimate Health and Fitness Guide. If you're serious about clean eating but confused about what to buy, today's video is your simple, no-stress solution. Let's get straight into the ultimate clean eating grocery list designed for real American lifestyles. Start your clean eating journey in the produce section. Always think color, variety, and freshness. Here's what to grab: spinach, kale, bell peppers, berries, avocados, and tomatoes. Organic if possible, but don't stress, fresh is better than processed. Next stop, proteins. Choose clean, minimally processed options like organic chicken breasts, wild-caught salmon, grass-fed beef, cage-free eggs, and plant-based proteins like lentils and chickpeas. For lasting energy, load up on true whole grains. Rolled oats, brown rice, quinoa, and whole grain breads like Ezekiel. Always read the label. The first ingredient should be whole, not enriched. Healthy fats are your body's best friend. Pick up extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, raw nuts like almonds and walnuts, and natural peanut butter with no added sugar. Finally, stock up your pantry smartly. Must-haves include organic canned beans, vegetable or bone broth, tomato paste with no added sugars, and a few key spices like turmeric, cinnamon, and black pepper to make clean meals exciting. And that's your ultimate grocery list for clean eating. Now you can shop with confidence and eat like you truly care about your body, because you do. If you loved this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for weekly health tips, and tell me in the comments, what's your must-have clean eating item? See you in the next one.